Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me. I'm Nicole, and today we're making a sweet and spicy salmon with a creamy Sriracha mayonnaise. It's a quick and delicious meal any day of the week that the whole family will love. Our spice rub today starts by combining Demerara sugar, chili flakes, black pepper, garlic powder, chili powder, cumin, dried parsley, and coarse salt, and simply mix together well. And Demerara sugar is what I like to use here because it's a little bit coarser than regular brown sugar and it has a bit more molasses and moisture. But if it's just not that handy for you to have, regular brown sugar will also work. You'll want to make sure your salmon fillets are nice and dry by patting them with a paper towel. Season your fish lightly with salt. You don't need a lot because there's already salt in the spice rub. And drizzle with a little bit of oil and top each side with an approximate tablespoon of spice rub. And simply work the rub out evenly on each side. And repeat. And today's recipe has enough spice rub for 4 pieces of salmon. My salmon today are about 7 ounces each. So if you don't use all the spice rub at once, you can stow it away in a sealable container or baggie until you're ready to use it again. Alright, we're going to set this back in the fridge while we make up our spicy Sriracha mayonnaise and get our grill preheating. Our spicy mayonnaise couldn't be simpler. It starts with mayonnaise and we'll add some Sriracha. I generally like about a tablespoon to a half a cup of mayonnaise. And we're going to add sweetened condensed milk. Now we can't be opening a can of sweetened condensed milk every time we want to make this delicious salmon. So when you open your sweetened condensed milk, simply pour it into a sealable container and throw it in the freezer. Because of the high sugar content, it never freezes solid. Therefore, when you need it, you can simply scoop out a tablespoon or 2 at a time and then pop it back in the freezer. I would start with about a tablespoon and adjust from there. Today I'm going to show you 2 methods to cook your fish. The first being air fryer and second on the grill. The beauty about using the air fryer is you can enjoy delicious salmon any time of the year. You'll place the salmon fillets in the air fryer basket. And for my type of air fryer, I can generally get 2 per basket. You'll cook the salmon on the air fry mode at 390 degrees Fahrenheit for about 7 minutes. And the second method is to place the salmon directly on your grill or, as I'm using today, a grill mat. Cook for 6 to 8 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, flipping once. And here's our delicious salmon, cooked 2 ways. Thank you for watching today. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a great recipe. Or you can visit me at my website at compelledtocook.com. We'll see you again.